My name is Anchal. My college roll number is 80. So my subject is computer science. Today I am going to teach you email writing. So what is email? Email today is the most convenient way to communicate, or I say is the eco-friendly way of communication. So what do you mean by email? E stands for electronic. So email or electronic mail is the system to communicate or to transfer or share our ideas with others. What is actually needed in email? Basically, a user needs a internet connection and an email ID. So email can be of two types: formal or informal. Formal mail is basically used in business mail. Business mail is what we send to the high authorities or your teachers, to basically in the company, etc. And informal mail is sent to friends or relatives. So what is the basic structure of email? A structure of email is divided into further two categories. First is header, second is body. In header, what all are included? Subject, sender mail, receiver mail, and date and time. In body, it includes message of the email. Message can be further formal or informal. So this is the basic structure of email. Now I will teach you what is the format of email ID. So what is the basic format of email ID? It is like when you click on compose, the page will open. How the page will open? Let me draw and show you. This is the basic format of email writing. So what is included? First is date, from, to. So date and from is auto written. In from, we have the writer's email ID. The sender's mail ID is included in it. Next is to. To is the column where we write the receiver's mail ID. So if you want to write mail to more than one person, then you can write in this column separated by commas. Next is CC column and BCC column. So CC column stands for carbon copy. If you want to send the mail to anyone else and you want his attention towards the mail, and that is the most important attention you want of that person, so you will include that mail ID in CC column. Next is BCC, blind carbon copy. Blind carbon copy is used if you want, suppose there is an X and Y. X is the sender's mail ID and Y is the receiver. And if you want some other person to be included in the mail and you do not